Take one.
How do I know if my audio level is good? We can keep rolling.
Project.
Hello, my name is Jeff Bellinger, and this game in front of me is the Saltbirds of Akara, presented here for your inspection. As I address you, H.J. Spiegel and Associates, I make you this 15-minute documentary tape so that you can get a better idea of how the game flows. First, let me introduce some of the changes that I outlined in my last correspondence. First, the new Arctic crystal design. As you saw on the drafting board, it's quite changed. It's no longer just a marble, but it's an actual stand-up piece. All right. A dark crystal has the exact same design, however, is all black with a white color band. The Arctic crystal, of course, having multicolored. Here blue, here a yellow one, and here red. All of the same general design. As you can see, the transport gate is more rounded on the top. Okay, come on in. Just keep it rolling. That's okay.
Okay.
As you can see, the transport gate is more rounded on the top than the drawing indicated. However, functionally, your drawing is quite correct and it need not be changed. As we pan the rest of the board, we can get a better idea for some of the pieces. Let me zip through them. Okay, now, just get as close as you can in here on this area.
Actually, Mark, you could play. I'll take over the cameras.
Okay, very good. Now, focus in on the Arctic crystals. What'd you get?
You want me to do
Alright, well, I was really
do this?
disappointed. Very
Oh,
Sorry.
I couldn't get the kiwi,
Uh-huh.
couldn't get the mango,
I knew that.
and I couldn't get the peach.
I told you those three. You probably
Right.
wouldn't. Okay, good enough.
How about I hit the
All right,
record
ready?
one button by accident? I thought my hand on it.
Are we still rolling?
Yeah, we're rolling.
First, the Arctic crystals, as we can see, the red in front, yellow, and the blue. We have the dark crystals here in the back. Transport gates, blue and orange. Bad habit markers with the name of the bad habit printed, this one being obnoxious. This blue thing in the back is the pond. We have here Roland's magic tree. Back here, 4 sets of birds, traditionally purple, yellow, blood red, and mint green. This is not important, it can be any colors. Pick that random. Here we have bad habit discs. This was also changed since the last instruction book was sent in. It simply goes from a flat rectangular card to a round disc, this one being strategically short-sighted. They are different colors, although the colors are immaterial. 3 laser guns. Okay. 6 nuclear bombs. Printed numbers on the top 1 to 6. A row of salt. The game die. And a deck of cards that say the Saltbirds of Akara. Here we have 5 fruit challenge cards, which would be included in the game in case a player did not have fruit around during game time. I'm going to say that again. These fruit challenge cards would be included in the event that players did not have real fruit. As indicated in the instruction book, real fruit makes the fruit challenge all that more exciting, so today we will be playing with real fruit. Hello, my name is Jeffrey Bellinger, and this is the Saltbirds of Akara. This documentary is prepared so that you can get a better understanding of how the game works. We'll be playing a full game. However, the entire game will be edited for time purposes. A normal game takes approximately an hour and a half. This video cassette will be edited down to approximately 50 minutes. Hello, my name is Jeffrey Bellinger, and this is the Saltbirds of Akira. This documentary tape is prepared so that you at AIM will be better able to understand the game, get a feel for it, and prepare the new product perspective. Since an actual meeting seems unlikely in the near future, if you watch this tape, you'll be able to get an understanding of how the game works. Now, a normal game of the Saltbirds of Akira takes approximately an hour and a half. This documentary tape has been edited to approximately 50 minutes so that you can... This documentary, edited down to approximately 50 minutes, will demonstrate the game. It will give you a feel for how the game works so that you can better prepare the new product perspective.
Go.
Traditionally, on Akira, we would use the 5 exciting fruit challenge cards: Granny Smith apple, banana, Jersey peach, kiwi, and mango. These cards are included in the game in case a player does not have real fruit available in his house. Fortunately today, we do have real fruit, which, according to the rule book, okay, I want a full...
Yeah, but you
from
do not...
here,
Yeah.
we'll do this, and then
Here,
we'll
then-
come right up
okay.
to the whole...
Okay.
Included in the game are 5 exciting fruit challenge cards. Traditionally, banana, Granny Smith apple, Jersey peach, kiwi, and mango. These cards are included so that if a player does not have real fruit available, they can still... Included in the game are 5 exciting fruit challenge cards. Traditionally, banana, Granny Smith apple, Jersey peach, kiwi, and mango. These are included in the event that a player does not have real fruit available, and he must use the cards. However, as the instruction book says, real fruit makes the challenge that much more exciting. So today we'll be playing with a banana, a Granny Smith apple, a pineapple, an orange, and 1 grape.
Hi, I'm John. I'm going to be filming today. Now let's introduce our players.
Hi, I'm Eric. Hi, I'm Connie.
Hi, I'm John.
Well, you already know me.
That's for today's game.
Hi, I'm Eric. And I'm Connie.
I'm John.
And I'm Jeff. Hi there.
Go ahead.
The first part of the game is setting up.
5, 2, 6.
Connie and Eric are choosing the random method, where 3 die are rolled, and the spot is plotted out on the board, and the pieces are put down individually. This is advantageous so that each game is random.
4, 2, 0.
I'm going to help her out here a little bit.
4.
With each game random, it very rarely gets boring. We put the tree up. We have 1 transport gate in
5,
place.
1, 8.
We have... Well, that roll will have to be redone. Occasionally, a piece will land where another piece is. So we just roll again.
7.
Very good. Now, unfortunately, that transport gate's behind
6,
the
2,
tree.
7.
We'll see that one a little bit later. Now we're putting on the pond. All right, now it's time for the home bases.
1,
We're putting on the purple home base first, then the yellow,
483. 117.
the maroon, and finally my color,
521.
the mint green. Ah, there it is. Now at this point, each player takes his 3 birds and places it on any of the spaces that are empty around his home base. All the birds are in place now,
571.
and all the other pieces are being put on the board randomly. This takes about 10 minutes.
336.
As you can see, the board is starting to take shape. We have the bad habit markers on the board. That's okay. We have a few here, bad habit markers. We have the transport gate. We have the tree. We have several birds.
4.
We're putting on some Arctic crystals now.
463.
Is that in the tree? I can't.
Which
Take
one?
it.
Take it?
668. 668.
668. I'll take that one.
Okay.
Call them out
536.
in the tree. Oh no. Okay.
241.
241.
241's taken. One more time.
684.
684. I got that.
137.
Is it still running? Okay, keep it running. Keep it running. I'll edit this part out.
457.
Whisper. As noted in the instruction book,
Take it.
there are several methods for setting up the board at the beginning of the game. One is to use a starting positions chart, which would map out the positions of the pieces at the beginning of the game. This, I would imagine, would soon get boring and players would very quickly move to the random method. Another method used
Take, go.
is to have every player take one
135.
piece. Bleh. Another method used is to have each player take a piece and place it on the board until all the pieces are on the board. Then randomly place the home bases. This assures that no one particular player has an advantage by placing advantageous pieces near his base, since he has no idea where his base will end up. It also diminishes the number of pieces placed randomly to a mere 4.
416.
All 3 methods
Take it.
are good. My favorite, of course, is the
37.
random method. As we continue to see the board forming, we have the nuclear bombs going down now. It's beginning to take shape. Players are eagerly awaiting the start of the game
161. Yep.
and are plotting their
Go ahead.
strategies.
651.
What's the matter? You're not. I don't know what to say, but we're filming. Okay, I'll think of something.
Go ahead.
116.
Take it.
Connie's just putting the salt down now, and we're about to finish up.
415.
Preparation for the game, each player must be given bad habits. One of each, and there are 5 of them. John, would you dish out the bad habits for everyone?
Okay.
One of each.
Okay,
John's going to
take it.
separate so that everybody gets one. All right, hold that cut. Just do it in front of you, and then you can hand it out rather than... So in preparation for the game, each player must be given the 5 bad habits.
611.
John, why don't you separate those? Give one of each to everybody.
486.
Connie is quickly and eagerly finishing up the salt distribution here.
As fast as I can. 5 what? Call it.
Oh, 518.
Let's take it.
251. 276.
Okay. Woo! Now speaking another language here, aren't I? Oh, no. Okay, are we almost finished?
661.
Yes, but that's okay.
Next. Ball.
Still on in.
What do you want from me?
341.
Everyone has a set of these. Untrustworthy,
531.
greedy,
Bacon.
strategically short-sighted, obnoxious, and reckless. These will have to be gotten rid of. One more time. No, that's okay. That's okay. Keep it rolling. Each player must get rid of these by the end of the game by partaking in the exciting Fruit Challenge. The typical Saltburn setup. The board is now completed, and we're ready to start our game. As always, the owner, that's me, begins play by rolling the four-sided die. The four-sided die tells you how many moves you get in any particular turn. I've rolled a 1. Now I roll the six-sided die, and that'll tell me how far I can go. Remember, I can move only my birds or any crystal, Arctic crystals or dark crystals. Well, let's see, gang, what do I have here? I'll have to get up because my birds are over on the other side now. We've changed the board angle for your benefit. A 5. Well, let's see. I've got a nuclear bomb in my backyard. How about this? I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. I don't have to take my whole turn. Sorry about that, Eric. And I pick up a salt crystal. That's my turn. I only had one move. All right, John. It's all yours. Oh, boy. He rolled a 2 and a 6. He gets 2 moves. The first move is a 6. He's going for the salt. Alright. These particular birds are designed to hold the salt either on their back or their feet. Doesn't really matter. Alright, what do you do for your second move? Your second move, he appears to be... I don't mind if you stand. Do you mind if he stands? I don't mind. Alright, he's going to grab one of the salt tablets that's right next to his base, and being right next to his base, he can just throw it right into his base.
Now?
Sure. Okay, Connie.
2. 2. Sorry, John.
Huh.
Somebody got a roll. It's gonna be.
Perhaps going for the gun?
No, we didn't do crystal.
Uh-huh.
Too many red ones in one place. Too many, all of them in one place. As a matter of fact.
You're up, Eric.
I don't want it.
I'll have to mount your rolls for the
Okay, a 1 and a 4.
He's going for the gun. He likes to have a gun. I've played with Eric several times,
There's an armed bird.
and he chooses to be armed. Now, it's the end of a round. Everyone has gone once, so Eric is going to pick the top card on the Saltbirds Vakra deck. Eric, those cards were shuffled, weren't they? Yes, they
Yes, they
were.
were. Yes,
Okay. Read the card aloud, please.
All is calm on Akara. Continue
Let's
play.
try that again. Eric, why don't you try picking that card again?
Okay.
Eric is going to pick the top card, and please read that for us, Eric.
All is calm on Akara. Continue play.
Okay, nothing spectacular happened. Alright. A 2 for me, which means I get 2 moves. For my first move, I have a 2. A 2, a 2. I will grab the salt that's right next to my base. My second move. What's my second move going to be? A 4. I will go 1, 2, 3, 4. I am up in the tree. There's a salt tablet up here, by the way, which you probably can't see. I'm going for that. All right, John, here we go.
Stuff
Can I get
you
a
can't
3?
freeze them. Yeah.
3 and a 3.
A threat.
One,
Already a threat.
2.
Eric is
Threatening
threatening.
who?
3.
Who?
Well, so much for
What?
that salt tablet in the tree I was going for.
Okay.
Having to narrate this, I can see we'll have some distinct disadvantages.
2. Well, I think I shall declare the exciting fruit challenge
All right. He declares the exciting fruit challenge.
for the bad habit obnoxious.
Obnoxious, all right. First thing he has to do is roll the 8-sided
No, first I
die.
have to declare my opponent, Eric.
That's right. He's declaring his opponent, Eric. He knows this game. And now he rolls the 8-sided die. 3, which means basically John gets to pick from 3 fruits. Eric will have 1 guess. Pass the fruits over to John, will you? Today we're playing with the pineapple,
There's no room on the table.
the banana,
Right.
the Granny Smith apple, the orange, and the grape. Okay.
Don't ask me to juggle.
And I'm going to move this up a tad so we have a little bit more room on the table for the fruits. There you go.
Well, this will work.
Okay. Pick 3 fruits. Which
I'll take
orange?
the orange, banana,
Banana?
pineapple.
Pause. Okay. You don't have to pause. Let's keep it simple at the beginning and we'll get more devious towards the end, all right?
Not looking good.
Please, okay?
I'm
Make it a very simple flat fruit challenge. Back in positions. No, don't do that yet. Okay, Eric has to turn his back while John indicates to us which fruit he's picking. Eric, turn your back. Very good. All right, John. Which is it going to be?
Well,
Okay, Eric. John's made his choice. You have 1 guess.
banana.
That's correct.
Oh, yeah.
Correct, Eric. You get to get rid of the bad habit of your choice.
let me put these.
Okay, roll the die to see whether it goes out of the game or to John. An even number. The disc goes out of the game. Lucky for you.
Can I
Okay?
put these back?
Oh, you can just, let's leave them on the table for now.
What's the
No, we
uh,
can't.
dish over there?
Which disc? This is Reckless over here. He's getting rid of the one that's farthest away. That makes sense. Out.
No, I don't-
Out of the game.
out.
Into the discard. There's a little discard tray. Yes, okay. All right, whose turn? You're up still.
That's right.
it?
No,
I rolled 3, so you have 2 more turns left. That was your first
No, my first turn was to
Oh,
get that salt.
okay. So that was your second
more.
turn. You have 1 more.
Ooh.
You rolled a 1.
Eric, what's your... Okay, never mind.
All right. He moves a dark crystal. Connie, you're up.
3.
3.
1.
A 1.
Nice move.
Feel free to do close-ups. People, just a variety of things. So when I edit tomorrow, I have something to choose from.
Great.
Moving the Arctic crystal.
I'll shoot you.
No, you won't.
Freeze out.
Oh.
Connie has frozen Eric's
There you go.
saltbird. Now, Connie, why would you do something like that?
Well, I must retaliate with friends.
I see. So, because
Try it, Eric. Try it.
threatened her with the laser gun, see how the 2 red Arctic crystals have surrounded the saltbird. This saltbird is now frozen. What do you do, Eric?
I just rolled a 1,
A 1?
a 2.
Good move, Connie, by the way. Excellent.
In other
excellent.
words, I
I
can move here
see.
and fire.
Your bird will never, ever unsee you.
Saltbird soup. 1 opponent's bird, 1 cup pond water, 2 leaves from the magic tree, and of course, 1 pinch of salt. Continue play.
What?
As the game draws to a close, we can see that Eric is within 6 spaces of home base. If on his next turn he gets a 6, he deposited his...
No.
Tits.
He's doing his Leonard Skinner impression.
Come on, guys, come on.
Ah! Ooh. Go away. All right. Are you ready then?
I'm ready.
As we can see by the board, Eric is only 6 spaces away from his home base. This is gonna take a while, isn't it? Eric, out, get out, 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 get out, go.
Come on, come on. If I don't eat dinner, I'll get grumpy. I'll just leave it here.
Take 3.
Go ahead.
As we can see by the playing board, Eric is. Alright, everybody out. You 3, leave. Get out.
No, he's not laughing.
His shoulders are shaking back there.
I wanted show business, okay.
No, you
Get
didn't.
out. Get out. All of you. Grateful wretch.
Ungrateful wretch.
Thank you.
You are. And we're still running.
I thought he'll fall. Okay. Okay, alright. Alright, I can do it. I can do it.
You're
This
not.
is it.
You're a professional.
Is this on?
It's hot.
I'm a professional.
You're a professional.
Alright. Why don't you leave too? Seriously, get out. just get out. Oh, here comes the janitor.
Oh.
Okay. Shh. Is that cap on the Is that cap on the floor? Do we need that for anything?
No.
All right, guys. No, we're not done. Get out.
John has to get out.
Come on. I'm gonna need you to pan the board, aren't I?
Yeah.
All right. Close the door. All right. Seriously. Gonna pan. I'm gonna say, as you can see, and then, all right. Start on me and then go to the board.
Okay.
Okay. Ready? As you can see. I'll try that again. I'm sorry. As you can see. As you can see. Get out! The pressure's too much. Okay. All right. Ready? Yeah. Okay. Do that. That's why we're missing that. Ouch! Get to the door. Go ahead, because I want to walk. Get a shot of the door. See, this is what I have to deal with. Oh, good. That's good.
Wait. Start talking.
As you can see, come on, let's do this. Let's get this up before they come back.
Ready? Yep.
And
Okay. Go.
as you can see by the board, Eric is only 6 spaces away from his home base. If he successfully reaches his home base with his 5th salt, he'll have won the game. Now get a shot of the door. Come on, dude. Alright.
Players return.
Okay, now, this is the last round because Eric's going to make it.
He's gonna roll 6.
Yes, and
I'll let him
Actually,
roll
it's
4
5.
ones. We're gonna roll 6 ones.
6.
okay.
Hold on.
Okay, I'm gonna go. Now, ready, guys? You're taping the game as like all of us. Okay,
Yep.
ready now? We're gonna be in the middle of time. Guys, we gotta stop Eric. He's only 5 spaces away. Let's get those Arctic crystals in place. 1, 3.
Not with rolls like that.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. All right, John, see if you can move that other blue over there.
Okay.
All
Not with a form.
right. Oh, Jesus. Connie?
2. 4.
Okay, move that 1 in. See if we can get around there.
I'm sorry, Eric. I don't know where he's going.
Okay, let's hope he gets a 4. My God, he got a 1. Okay, come on. Only a 3. Only 3. We're safe for now. We're safe for now. Pick a card.
Activate nuclear bomb number 3.
Number 3. Number 3. Oh my goodness. Number 3. Can we get a close-up of number 3,
Okay, close up
please?
on number 3, please.
You mind if I try that again?
No, I don't. I'm sorry.
We're going to get a close-up of nuclear bomb number 3. I see that... Oh, actually, can you get a shot? Because I'm in the gate. This is one thing I'd like to demonstrate, that I'm in the gate and I can't be destroyed. Ready? All right. Nuclear bomb number 3's been activated. As you can see, my bird is in range, but since I'm standing in the transport gate, I'm protected from nuclear bomb blasts. So I have nothing to worry about. 3, range 3.
Nothing.
Nothing's in range, so this bomb does nothing. Birds in the tree are safe. And so are the home bases, correct. No damage. My turn. A 3. 2. Darn. Well, I guess I can move this one. And the 4. Try to move this one out the other side. Okay.
A 4.
Nice roll.
Darn. Connie, it's up to you. A 4. Darn. Eric.
Darn.
Eric's close. 2. 5. Oh my goodness. And
You jumped
spotted.
disqualified.
Now we have to do it again. That's not a rule. You can't be screaming those things. Jesus, you're a pain in the ass. Don't worry, John. You are
Sorry,
a
I'm used
pain
to
in
playing
the
the normal way.
You're rolling a 2 and you're rolling a 5.
Without a camera in my face.
Let's try that again. Go ahead, roll the 5. 4. Oh. And he has reached the base. He puts his 5th salt in. And let's try that again.
Not my fault.
Put it in the other side.
Let's take that one more time, boys and girls. Okay.
A 4. As we can see, Eric has reached his home base. He's got the 5 salts. He is the winner of the game. Nice game, Eric.
Speech.
Get to next time.
All right, cut. Nice game. Nice
Was
game.
it about obnoxious bad
Nice
habits?
game. Nice.
Obnoxious bad habits?
So I had 5. I still have 5.
4, only 4. Hey, it's pretty
Two.
good deal if I beat you on
Let's
that.
go
2.
crush the fruit.
Oh yeah, hand me one of the hand me the grape here. I guess I can eat that. All right, grab a piece of fruit.
That pineapple's mine.
No, I doubt it. It's not a good
Gee, I think I like the banana. I don't know what.
Not anymore. You have to cut that up and we're going to have
I don't want
to... Here, John, we were sharing the pineapple. It was an expensive pineapple. We're sharing it.
Are you done with us?
Actually, I don't. This is sauce.
The pineapple...
Eric, you know how to pick out fruit, don't you?
It was sitting there for a while, John.
All right, come on, put all that, put that away, put that away. All right, let's get that board going. You keep going. We got extra footage here. We got plenty of time, so just keep going. We'll do some fun stuff here. We got...
I'm going upstairs. I'm going.
Let's get a character actor's face.
What? Where are you going?
Upstairs.
You can't leave.
Yeah, why? What are we doing?
Oh well, all right, write the thing there.
Case, face of a character actor.
All right, now let me be alone, putting this stuff away. You know, like the end. You write what has to be written. Go ahead, Connie.
You do
You're
it.
ready. You're done.
How fast before I go?
Home.
Yeah.
You're going home? I guess I have to then.
Whoa.
Well, don't do it until that he's ready. And, you know, section off a board. Get rid of this black shit. All right, meanwhile, just
You got
film
the
me
white
doing
over.
this part.
Scribble white on it.
Well, I will. Yeah, we can always stick this on the end of the tape, the musical background. You want to come in on this here?
Here,
Come on in. Slice the pineapple over here, silly. But don't get it on the game, of course.
I'll agree. What are you doing?
I think you should have done Carol.
What's that?
I think you should have done it Carol Burnett style.
I can't hear you.
I think you should have done Carol Burnett style.
Like what?
And they came to talk to the cameraman and they talked back.
No.
white over black and then I'll figure it out. I think fun
Oh,
hours.
so you just not gonna.
Always.
Cut me pieces so that I'm going this. And switches don't spurt.
Listen, it spurts his own limit.
Come on.
Hello.
Good game, guys. Thanks. You know, I hope I got enough just to.
I'm sure you do. I'm sure there's plenty in there.
We're still filming, thank
What
you.
color do you want to sing?
Want to just put that back on us here if you can?
Come on. What color do you want to sing?
Any color.
White.
Exciting fruit pineapple.
Okay.
What?
Handwrite it or print it? It makes a difference. Up to you.
Brand. Block letters. Big. Want everybody knows about dinner? Pineapples very often, especially because you're a fine marketing company
Is that good?
and you find patent lawyers are going to do a great job in helping him achieve his dream. I just hope you can help a friendly cameraman / theatrical technician get his way from his friend. Might want to put that into contract. Thanks. Pineapple's good, by the way.
Funny.
I'm sorry.
Edit that.
This is probably extremely annoying to the person who's watching.
Got my pineapple.
Can I do the wave? Can I do
I
my
got
wave?
15 minutes.
Can I do my clapping with one hand?
You gonna go?
I do it down here so you won't see it.
I am Connie.
Huh? Yeah, though.
You leaving now?
You ready?
I gotta get my stuff together.
Okay, go ahead. Come on.
Oh.
Stop talking.
This must be a Wawa pineapple. It sucks. It's a rock.
Like you walk into that food stand only by 1001 Auto Parts.
2 points.
Black.
Thanks, guys. You can get rid of this.
Where's my food? Where's the food?
Anyone want the apple? The apple's still good.
No, it's kind of bruised.
No, I want man.
What's this?
Orange is mine.
Plant.
Camera person, we're not sexist here.
No, cameraman.
Would you dump
My
this?
brother is a man.
Dump this, please.